Hello, my name is Bora Demir, and today I'm going to present you my EE-412 microwave electronics project. As part of my project, I have designed and implemented a low noise amplifier, which you can see here. Because we didn't have the source of SMD capacitors, we had used lumped elements, which hinders our performance, but there's nothing we can do about that. So our DC operating point for the transistor of the amplifier is 4 volts and 6 milliamperes. That's why our DC supply is twice of that operating point, 8 volts. So it gives us a swing of peak to peak 8 volts. Here in the vector network analyzer, you can see the S parameters of this low noise amplifier. This is our center frequency, this section here. As you can see, we have 11.2 decibels of gain, around minus 12 dBs of S11 and S22 in input return loss and output return loss, and we have minus 27 dB reverse gain of our low noise amplifier. And this is my project. We have a noise figure of 0.8 decibels at our center frequency of 650 megahertz.